Hi, my name's John Raymond Mireles. I'm an artist from New York, and I'm standing at the corner of Walker and Sheridan, across the street from the BOK Park Plaza building, where I've installed 35 of my portraits from my series entitled Neighbors. They're on the outside of the building here. This series is it's portraits of Americans from all 50 states. I've traveled across the country over the past several years photographing Americans. And the goal with this work is to capture a slice of America and show who we are as a country here in the 21st century, and then use that work by displaying it in public locations to help connect Americans, to bridge some of the ideological, political, geographic divides that we are experiencing right now as a country. The goal with this work is, by presenting the work larger than life, that people can come view these individuals and get to know them in an intimate way, in a way that you might not be able to if they were standing in front of you. And by getting to know our fellow countrymen, we can then bridge these divides. It's hard to hold animosity or feel separate from somebody who you know. And so, again, this work is to try and help people get to know their fellow Americans. The work is going to be up until April 2019, so I invite you to come out and check out the work.